Hey there, this is Jenny from the Brilliant Homeschool. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the idea of homeschooling, don't worry because you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share some simple steps to get started and give you the encouragement you need to feel confident in your homeschooling journey. First things first, take a deep breath. Homeschooling doesn't have to be complicated. Start by thinking about your why. Why do you want to homeschool? Maybe it's for more family time, personalized learning, or flexibility. Keep that why in mind because it'll motivate you when things get tough. Step 2 is to make a simple plan. You don't need a fancy curriculum right away. Think about what subjects you want to cover and start small. Math, reading, and writing are great places to begin. You can always add more as you get comfortable. Next, gather your resources. Don't feel pressured to buy everything new. Libraries, printable resources, and even free online curriculum can be lifesavers when you're just starting out. Remember, it's about finding what works for your family, not copying someone else's method. And here's something important. It's okay if your homeschool day looks different from a traditional school day. Homeschooling offers flexibility, so embrace it. You can create a schedule that fits your family's rhythm, whether that means early mornings or late afternoons. The key is consistency, not perfection. Finally, believe in yourself. You're more capable than you think. Homeschooling is about connection and growth for you and your child. Don't be afraid to ask for help or join a community for support. And remember, every homeschooling journey is unique. So whether you're just starting out or still on the fence, know that you can do this. You've already taken the first step by exploring homeschooling, and that's a huge win. I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Let's do this together. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. As always, happy homeschooling.